Today on GreggFesto's channel, we are reviewing the LASFIT 9006 series bulbs for a 2002 Grand Cherokee. So we're going to open these up over here. Alright, and this is what they look like.
And that's the LED bulb. Look at that intensity. Let's turn the high beams on to compare. You can see the color difference between the high beams and the low beams. Those high beams are bright, but the low beams actually seem brighter and a better color temperature. Amazing. LASFIT LED bulbs. Get you some today.
Thank you for watching this product review. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And this is Tesia Saprano. Peace out.